Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, where tech hacks actually work. We've all felt that panic. You're about to head out, and your phone's battery is critically low. You plug it in, hoping for a quick boost, but the percentage barely moves. That frustration of being tethered to a slow charger is exactly what we're tackling today. But what if you could significantly speed up that process, even without buying a new fast charger? Today, I'm going to show you a series of simple, yet incredibly effective, adjustments for your phone. We'll explore the science behind each tip so you can charge smarter, not just harder. This isn't about magic or downloading sketchy apps. These are practical, science-backed tweaks that unlock the potential of the hardware you already own. We'll even bust a few common battery myths you probably thought were true. So if you're ready to take control, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We drop powerful new hacks daily, and you won't want to miss what's next. Let's be real. Not everyone has the latest and greatest fast charger. You might be using the old, slow adapter that came with your phone years ago, or maybe you've got a drawer full of random cables and power bricks, just grabbing whichever one is closest. But here's the frustrating part. Even if your phone is capable of fast charging, you might not be getting those top speeds. Simple things like using a low-quality cable or having the wrong settings enabled can throttle your charging speed to a crawl, leaving you tethered to the wall for hours. The good news is, you don't need to rush out and buy expensive new gear. We're going to fix that with proven tricks and simple adjustments that will significantly speed up your phone's charging time no matter what charger you're using. First up, the single most effective trick for a quick power boost: airplane mode. Head into your phone's settings and toggle it on. This simple switch acts like a do not disturb sign for your phone's antennas, instantly cutting off all wireless communications, cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. That constant searching for signals is a major hidden battery drain. By turning it off, you're telling your phone to stop multitasking and focus all its energy on one thing: charging. Just remember, you won't get calls or texts while it's on. Next, let's tackle the digital clutter. Step 2 is to close your background apps. Even when you're not using them, many apps continue to run silently, sipping power. Swipe away any apps you aren't actively using from your app switcher. For a more powerful fix, dive into your settings and find Background App Refresh or Background Data. Turning this off for non-essential apps prevents them from fetching new data or using your location, freeing up precious resources so your battery can charge without interruption. Finally, where you plug in matters. Step 3. Always choose a wall socket. Think of it in terms of power output. A standard USB port on a laptop provides a mere trickle of power, often just 5 watts. In contrast, the wall adapter that came with your phone is designed to deliver a much stronger flow of energy, anywhere from 20 watts to even more. Plugging directly into the wall ensures your phone receives the maximum power it can safely handle. So unless it's an emergency, avoid your computer's USB port. Want even more speed? Remove your phone case. Heat slows charging. Keep your phone cool and out of direct sunlight. Use the original cable or a high-quality certified one. If possible, turn off your phone completely while charging. Charging speed depends on power input and power usage. By reducing what your phone is doing while plugged in, you let it absorb energy faster. It's like clearing traffic so the battery can refuel without distractions. Try this out and let me know. How much faster did your phone charge today? And if you want more hacks that actually work, hit subscribe to Thek Unlimited.